Hey guys and gals, this is Robert, Roller Smoke Barbecue and Cooking. Oh man, guess what happened to me this morning? They had a drawing this morning for the 4th of July for Seals Family Farm. They were giving away a butcher box and I won it. It's awesome. It's awesome. Guys, y'all need to go check them out. They're Seals Family Farm. They're based out of Mount Hermon, Louisiana. Man, they raise quail. They have quail legs. They have all kinds of stuff. They have meat. They have chicken eggs. They have homemade dog food made out of quail. Man, y'all need to go check them out. It's Seals Family Farm. And they, good people, real good people. And they deliver within 50-mile radius of Mount Hermon, Louisiana. And a 50-mile radius of Singer, Louisiana. They'll hook you up, man. They've got good quality meat. They raise beef master cattle, and they're USDA approved and certified. Go check them out. I can't believe I won this. Thank y'all, guys. I'm gonna be doing some videos with this meat and everything and showing y'all the quality of their meat. It's second to none. So be on the lookout for some videos on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Till next time, see y'all later. I'm so excited. Thank y'all again, Seals Family Farm. I appreciate it.